Everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to check username history on Instagram. Let's get started by click open Instagram. Go to your profile. Now you can see my username is Unsila Sheikh. If I change my username, remember one thing, there is also a log of your activity on Instagram. If you want to check the history of username, just click on three lines at the top right. Tap on your activity. Now scroll down. Click on account history. Here you can see all the changes of your bio, username, name, website. All the history comes here. If I want to check only username, click on update type. Tap on username. Apply. And you can see my username changes history. If you want to check another's username, just click on the account and tap on about this account. You tap on former username. Now you can see this account person changes their username 2 times. That's how you can check everyone's username. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel.